Today, let me introduce Sublistar's latest 3D UV Embroidery-Like Digital Printing technology. This technology is specially designed for soft fabrics like silk and cotton, achieving effects comparable to traditional embroidery. Traditional UV printing is usually applied to hard materials, but our innovative technology breaks this limitation, delivering flawless results on soft fabrics. By using special UV inks combined with advanced print heads and printing techniques, we can apply patterns with high precision and clarity. Plus, our eco-friendly inks minimize environmental impact. To demonstrate this technology, let's walk through a simple printing process. First, we design an embroidery-style pattern and load it into our specialized UV printer. Then, we adjust the settings based on the desired effect before starting the print. During printing, you can watch the design gradually take shape, with raised textures and sharp details. Next, we use heat transfer, wait briefly, and peel off the protective film. Now, let's check out the final product. Here's a shirt fabric printed with 3D UV embroidery-like. The pattern looks incredibly refined, with no flaws. If you look closely, you'll notice it's even more detailed than real embroidery. Beyond visuals, we prioritize texture. Thanks to high-quality inks and materials, the surface feels soft yet distinctly 3D. Finally, this technology isn't just for fashion. It's also perfect for home decor and other fields, making it a highly promising innovation.